Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to unbox and review the Acer Extensa 15, so let's get started. I bought this laptop from Amazon for Rs 23,990, which I had to pay online, so I was a bit worried about the shipment, but it turned out to be fine. Please note that it is a pre-recorded video and I have been using it for quite some time now. Here you can see the model number, the manufacturing date, and all other details.
Two hours later.
Inside the box we get the charger, the warranty card along with a manual. We also get two HDD mount as you can see here. Now for the laptop. It has a screen size of 15.6 inches with a full HD display and also a 180-degree hinge. It has a 3.1 GHz Intel Pentium processor with is quite basic and a RAM size of 4 GB and with a 256 GB solid-state drive. Now for the battery. It has a lithium-ion battery which is not removable and it gives a decent battery backup of 4 to 6 hours, which varies depending on how much processes you are running. And for ports, we get 3 USB ports, 1 HDMI port, and also a standard 3.5mm audio port. Also here you can see the traditional keyboard and also a touchpad. It has 2 speakers which is not that great, and is kind of okay. And it has a 2 megapixel webcam which is not even worth mentioning and is poor. The laptop was not turning on as it was low on charge. Overall build quality is quite good. It is quite slim and lightweighted. It has been more than a month now since I recorded this unboxing and I have been using it now. I must say it is not for high-end gaming and all. Well, I did play some old games like FIFA 14 and it runs quite okay without any heating issues, and Also note that we don't get a CD drive. Instead, we get the option to connect our extra hard drive by opening the back lid, as only 256 GB of space is not enough. So I did connect my old hard drive by myself. If you are interested in that, I can post it later. Just let me know down in the comments section. And overall, I'm quite happy with the purchase, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing our channel. Thank you. See you in the next one. Also note we get pre-installed Windows 11, which needs to be set up initially.